Well, in the previous class, we have discussed about the introduction of birds. I have told you very interesting features about birds now. In today's class, we'll talk about the general characteristics of birds. Right? You all very well know. Right? They have special characteristics like parental care, migration, nest building, right? Breeding, different types of ducks, all those things, songs, right? Different types of sounds they produce. So, as far as general characteristics are concerned, basically, they are homoeothers, right? Clear? Warm-blooded animals, what we call generally. The body is divisible into head, neck, trunk, and tail. Completely, the body is covered by feathers. What they are covered by? They are covered by feathers. This is the main characteristics of birds or apes. Fine. These feathers, what are the function of feathers? They cover the body. Moreover, they are in protective nature. Right? Protective in nature, and then they maintain the temperature. They maintain the body temperature. They help in maintaining body temperature. Clear? And they help in flying. Clear? Which is the main characteristics of birds. Clear. After flying, they help in clear attraction. They help in what? Attraction. What attraction? Because between the different gender during breeding season. They help in attraction. They help in flying. They maintain body temperature, and also they are protective in nature. They are very colorful. That's how they are attracted. They changes the color also during breeding season. Right? So these are the main characteristics of feathers. Right? And after that, the body is divisible into head. Clear? About limbs we discuss later. Right? In head region, you come across eyes. Right? Clear? Pair of eyes. Then beak which is modified. Right? Without teeth, without jaws and without teeth. Right? Beak. Clear? Then clear. As far as eyes are concerned, they have simple eyes, pair of simple eyes, but the retina is movable. Clear. In certain birds, and this retina helps in focusing. If the object is closer, the retina decreases in size and tries to adjust the focal length so that it is visible. That's how the flying birds, will observe their prey. For example, like kite, eagle, they will be flying very high, in fact, but yet they are able to locate, they are able to see small prey moving, cockroach, mice, rats, bandicoot, squirrels, snakes, clear, and then frogs. All these from very above they can observe. So the focal length, they focus, So the retina is movable. Whereas in case of human, the retina is fixed, Clear. This is how, by looking at this retina, they have made zooming camera, zooming lens or zoom camera. Oh, you can observe also if you have some birds in your home, like pigeons or parrots or hen. Try to take any object or your finger very close to their eyes. As your finger or any other object is getting closer to their eyes, the retina will decrease in size. Very special characteristic which you don't come across in case of any other animals. So they have such a special eyes. On these eyes, they have nictitating membrane. What membrane? Nictitating membrane. This nictitating membrane helps in protection. Helps in what? Protection, partial protection. They cover during dust, or some birds when they fly, when they enter into the water body to catch fishes, to catch their prey, like kingfisher and other birds. When they enter into water body, their eyes are covered by nictitating membrane, which helps them to visualize partial. It also helps in protecting and also helps in partial visualization. Clear? So nictitating membrane, it's absent in case of human beings. This nictitating membrane is present in amphibians, reptiles, and also in birds. Whereas in the next proceeding class, what we have discussed about mammals, we don't come across this nictitating membrane. Clear? There we will discuss what happened to this. So here it helps in protection also and partial vision. Then beak. This beak has upper jaw and lower jaw without teeth. It helps in catching the prey. Holding the prey, eating, biting, piercing, tearing, because birds have different types of different types of food habits. They are frugivorous, which eats on fruits, seeds and nuts. They are herbivorous, clear. They are omnivorous, they are carnivorous. So in different birds, based on their need of the food, based on their food habits, based on their place of living habitat, their beaks are modified. In kingfisher, you come across a sharp beak, whereas in case of the birds which feed on fruits, nuts and seeds, what we generally call them frugivorous birds, the beaks are modified. Like in case of parrot, you can see upper beak is pointed very sharp to break open the nuts, hard seeds. So beak is modified into various types, various shapes, various designs, various colors. Fine, clear. In some birds, clear, it is very broader, very hard, broader also, longer also. In some it is very sharp, pointed. Carnivorous, particularly carnivorous birds, it is very pointed. In frugivorous bird, bend and pointed, clear. So beaks have different modification based on their food habits, and based on the habitat also where they are found present, clear. So about that, in the head region they have a very powerful brain, very small brain but very powerful brain. Nervous system is very strong, well developed nervous system, clear. They have sense, a lot of sense of temperature, sense of light, sense of sound. So they have a very powerful brain. So these many parts we have to discuss in head, followed by neck. They have a bone, special bone, condyle bone, which helps him to move the neck 180 degree right side, 180 degree left side. As far as human beings are concerned, we can turn our neck only to 90 degree right, 90 degree left. Apart from that, it is difficult. So 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Whereas in case of birds, 180 this side, 180 the other side. So totally 360 degree, fine. They can move their neck. This also helps the eyes to have a look all around, to get away from predators, to catch the prey, fine, to know the other things in the forest, fine, in the jungles, fine. They have 360 degree angle vision, clear. So neck helps in that, and neck is the connection between the head and the trunk region. Trunk region, fine, clear. It is covered, fine. As far as we have discussed about feathers, covered exoskeleton, fine. Trunk, where all visceral organs will come across, fine. This trunk region has two limbs, two pair of limbs. What is two pairs of limbs? That is, right? One pair of forelimbs, one pair of hind limbs. In case of these animals, in birds, forelimbs are modified into wings. Wings helps in flying. Whereas hind limbs are covered by scales. Though exoskeleton here is covered by feathers, fine, it is a characteristic, fine, feature. It is the connecting link between reptiles and birds, because reptiles, the complete body is covered by scales. Here the hind limbs of the birds are covered by scales. It's a connecting link, fine. It's a connecting feature between the class Reptilia and class Apes, fine. Birds have scales on the hind limbs. You might have seen in case of pigeons, or in case of hen or cock, fine, hind limbs are covered by scales. Very hard and protective also, scales, whereas wings are covered by feathers, and the complete body is also covered by feathers, which we consider as exoskeleton. Clear. Tail is also covered by feathers. Colorful feathers that helps in maintaining balance. Fine, during flying and gliding. Clear. So we have discussed about limbs here, fine, and whereas these limbs are covered by scales, whereas hind limbs, fine. More points about hind limbs are they have nails. What they have? Nails. Claws. What they have? Claws and nails. Clear. They are protective in function, hard, clear, fine, catching the prey, fighting, fine. Apart from this, clear, the bones. What is this? Bones. The bones are hollow. These bones are hollow. How is the body? The body is streamlined, boat shape. What shape of the body? Streamlined body. Streamlined, that help in flying, or boat shaped body, what we call. So the bones are hollow. Such bones are known as pneumatic bones. What bones? Pneumatic bones. Their bones are hollow, filled with air. Pneumatic bones. Why bones are hollow? Bones are empty in order to decrease their body weight so that they can fly in air. But the bones are filled with air to maintain the air balance, air pressure during flying. Clear? Like how air is there present in the aeroplane also to maintain the balance, external internal balance. Fine? Clear? So pneumatic bones filled with air. They have single ovary. What they have? Single ovary to reduce the body weight. To reduce the body weight. Clear? As far as the sound box is concerned, sound box, fine, is known as larynx. Clear? That has syrinx. What they have? Syrinx. Fine. Clear? This helps in producing characteristic special sound during breeding season. Also, they produce sound. They sing. Fine. They sing. Clear? They produce many tunes, many types of different types of sounds during breeding season. They have a special type of sounds. Clear? So their sound box is known as syrinx. Clear? Fine. Then few birds are, most of the birds are oviparous. Most of the birds are oviparous. They lay eggs. They lay eggs. And after laying eggs, they incubate the eggs. They incubate they take care of those eggs. They incubate the eggs. After hatching also, clear? They take parental care. They take parental care. Very few birds are known as fine, which don't lay eggs. Clear? Like platypus, which is known as egg laying. Fine. No, not platypus. Some birds, fine, clear. Most of the birds are egg laying, right from smallest bird, that is what we call the shrew bird, fine, clear. Then the largest birds like penguins, all birds are egg laying birds. Most of them take care of these birds, of these eggs, parental care, incubation, clear. As far as the food habits are concerned, I told you herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, fine, frugivorous, clear. So different types of birds, examples of birds we have discussed yesterday: flying birds, sparrow, pigeon, parrot, fine, clear. Non-flying birds: emu, ostrich, kiwi. Then this emu, ostrich, fine, clear. And then semi-flying birds: peacock, peahen, hens, fine, cocks. They are the semi-flying birds. Clear. As far as their economic importance is concerned, they lay eggs. Eggs are used as food. Their meat is used as food. Some of the birds are used in sports. Pigeons and other birds are used in sports. Clear. Some of the birds are used as masters. Fine. Postmasters earlier, like pigeons. Fine. Some birds are used to send messages from one country to other country because they do migrate. Some birds are domesticated birds. Clear. And some birds are used in medicine. Their products, their blood is used in medicine. So these are all the importance and significance of birds. Fine. Go through our study material also. Fine. Clear. Neat questions I will discuss because after this only one class we have, that is class Mammalia. After discussing class Mammalia, neat questions will be followed. So keep studying. God bless you. Do take care of yourself. Good luck.